Thanks for watching this video about Ticare surgical box and drilling sequence for Inhex implants. Ticare surgical box is modular. It means that you can arrange your box with different modules or trays. Each module is available separately. This is the Inhex osseous tray, so we will use it to place an Inhex implant. I will use a drawing of the tray to explain better its use. Remember that Inhex implant is available in 4 different diameters, and each one is identified with a color given by the implant mount. Yellow is for 3.3, blue for 3.75, purple for 4.25, and turquoise for 5. The tray shows exactly the same colors. This color coding will make easier the drilling sequence. These drills in the middle will be used for regular bone. These drills are recommended to be used between 800 and 1000 RPM. These other drills, which are wider, are recommended to be used at 400 RPM. These are drills for hard bone. These should be used between 800 and 1000 RPM, and this one at 400 RPM. And these are the profile drills. We recommend to use them between 150 and 300 RPM. If a 3.3 implant will be placed, the following drills must be used. Initial drill. This drill will be used to point at the place where you will drill the alveolus, and it has 3 depth marks at 6, 8, and 9 millimeters. Then use the 2 millimeter drill, which has depth marks at 6, 8, 9, 10, 11.5, 13, and 15 millimeters. Then use the 3 millimeter drill, which has the same depth marks as the previous drill from 6 to 15 millimeters. Every drill for regular bone will have one color stripe, and the color will match with the correspondent implant diameter. This one is yellow, so it means that this is the last drill for inserting a 3.3 implant. Finally, the profile drill must be used. Again, it has a yellow stripe to show that this is the profile drill for 3.3 implants. The use of the profile drill is highly recommended no matter the type of bone available and no matter the position in the mouth. Its use will avoid bone remodeling at the crestal area. Primary stability will not be compromised as it is obtained thanks to the shape of the apex of our implants. If hard bone is available, you will use a 3.2 millimeter drill, which also has depth marks starting at 6 to 15 millimeters. Every drill for hard bone has 2 color stripes. If a 3.75 millimeter implant will be placed, the following drills must be used. Initial drill, 2 millimeter drill, 3 millimeter drill, then the 3.3 millimeter drill, which has the same depth marks as the previous drills from 6 to 15 millimeters, and 1 color stripe. In this case, it is blue, as the implant to be placed is a 3.75. Finally, the profile drill, which has its depth mark and the blue color stripe. Again, the profile drill must be used no matter the type of bone available and no matter the position in the mouth. Its use will avoid bone remodeling at the crestal area. If hard bone is available, you will use a 3.5 millimeter drill, which also has depth marks starting at 6 to 50 millimeters and 2 color stripes. If a 4.25 implant will be placed, the following drills must be used. Initial drill, 2 millimeter drill, 3 millimeter drill, 3.3 millimeter drill, 3.8 millimeter drill, which has the same depth marks as the previous drills from 6 to 15 millimeters and 1 color stripe. In this case, it is purple, as the implant to be placed is a 4.25. Finally, the profile drill, which has its depth mark and the purple color stripe. If hard bone is available, you will use a 4 millimeter drill, which also has depth marks starting at 6 to 15 millimeters and 2 color stripes. If a 5 millimeter implant will be placed, the following drills must be used. Initial drill, 2 millimeter drill, 3, 3.3, 3.8, 4.3 millimeter drill, which has the regular depth marks from 6 to 15 millimeters. It does not have a color stripe as it is an intermediate step to the next wider drill, 4.7mm drill, which has the same depth marks as the previous drills, from 6 to 50mm, and one colored stripe. In this case, it is turquoise as a 5mm implant will be placed. Finally, the profile drill, which has a depth mark and a turquoise color stripe. Then, if hard bone is available, you will use a 4.9mm drill, which also has depth marks starting at 6 to 15mm and two color stripes. All our drills are made of stainless steel. They are available in two different coatings. The regular one, which will allow 3 sterilizations, meaning 3 patients, or 15 to 20 implants, and the RCD coating. This is a diamond-like carbon coating which allows up to 6 sterilizations, meaning 6 patients or up to 45 to 50 implants. Drills with RCD coating provide better cutting properties, less wearing, and the depth marks are more visible thanks to the black color. During the drilling sequence, please remember to follow the instructions regarding RPM given at the beginning of the video. It is important for not overheating the bone. Also, remember to use the profile drills no matter the type of bone and the position in the mouth. Thanks for watching this video. Should you have any doubt, please do not hesitate to contact us or your local Ticare provider. Thank you.